Hi everyone, Korean welcomes you to the session. Today we are going to discuss on the topics PeopleSoft HCM Image 45 and 46, Fluid Performance Management Futures, Enrollment and Writing Tools with Language Checker. Let me introduce myself. My name is Manisha Devi and I am associated with Korean as a PeopleSoft consultant for past 1.5 years. Let's take a deep look on today's webinar. Here are the major points that we are going to discuss one by one. So firstly, we would start with Fluid Performance Management Enrollment. Next, we will be checking on the performance management writing tools and language checker. And side by side, I would be showcasing few demos so that you can understand it in a better way. So finally, I will be helping you with the business benefits of enrollment and writing tools with language checker. And if you have any questions, which will be answered at the end of the session. So let me take you to the overview of performance management enrollment. Performance management practices may differ from one organization to another, but the demand for user-friendly, contemporary, and mobile process remains universal. With the fluid performance management, you can offer this expertise to both users and the employees. Performance management redesigns the performance management functionality and fluid to provide managers, employees, and participants with a modern and enhanced user experience for conducting performance reviews. These are the things which is available in team performance style. Team documents, administrative talks, performance status, team documents insights, team performance insights. This is the ease of configuration we are having in team performance. To navigate, we have to go to manager self-service. In this, we have team performance style. Overview of performance management, writing tools, and language checker. PeopleSoft delivers two enhancements in fluid performance management to help reviewers to provide proper comments during employee evaluation by providing text suggestions and language checker options while entering final evaluation comments for employees. Writing tools that provide text suggestion when entering final evaluation comments for employees. The language checker in the system identifies improper use of words and phrases in review comments. This is how writing tools looks like in performance evaluations. Probably I will show this in part of the demo. Let's move to the performance management enrollment and writing tools with language checker demo. I'm going to log in with manager's ID. In manager self-service, we can see the team performance. This tile takes you to the team performance homepage. Team performance homepage shows manager styles based on their security setup. Selecting team documents takes the manager to the current and historical documents. Administrative task allows managers to perform tasks such as transfer documents, cancel documents, and enter preliminary ratings if your organization allows it. Performance status, team document insights, team performance insights. This styles allows managers to see visualizations of the performance process based on the security and organization setup. Now let's go to the team documents. Team document style shows how many documents are currently in process. Team documents page is the core of performance management. The manager can use this page to see documents that are currently in process and determine whether the document is in process. On the left side, we have the options to view the documents by dates, including historical documents. On the right corner, we have the Create Document link. By using this link, we can create the documents for the employees. We can access the employee's profile by clicking on their name or by using the menu options. Our organization defines the available access on this page as well as the steps and actions within the document. Configured components are automatically populated from profile management. Also, your organization can configure the entry of goals by the manager or the employee during the defined criteria. We can add the goals by clicking this plus icon. Here we can search and select the goals we need to add. The goals are then added to the employee's performance review by clicking the Done button. Once the employee and manager agree on the performance criteria, the step can be completed by clicking the Complete button. If the review has been set up with checkpoints, then the checkpoint steps being after completing the different criteria step. A template may have up to 11 checkpoints in a performance cycle. Or change visibility. During the checkpoint step, a manager or employee can control the change visibility of their comments on the ratings by clicking the change visibility link. Here we have two options, only or you and the employee. At least once during the checkpoint process, the manager must share visibility with the employee. This ensures open communication and the effective use of checkpoints. Skip checkpoint. If the review setup does not allow you to have a checkpoint, you can click the action menu and select the skip checkpoint. Once the checkpoint and the finalized criteria steps are complete, the manager moves the document into the evaluation step by clicking the complete button. Let's move to the evaluation step. Evaluation step. The manager needs to complete the manager's portion of the review. You can use the quick review icon to make quick comments and ratings. We can have the ratings by drop down or star ratings. The manager can see comments or ratings from the employee submitted self-service as well as any comments or ratings from peer reviews. Now let's see how writing tools and language checker is working in performance management. By using writing tools to provide text suggestions when entering final evaluation comments for employees. This is how the writing tools looks like. The writing tool link is available to any supported user roles in section items as well as section summaries. Based on the template setup, you can receive text suggestions from different sources within writing tools. For example, all evaluators comments, development tips, and results writer. Evaluators comments from other evaluators for the employee review. Development tips and result writer. Statements defined in the system. Performance notes that you entered previously in the employee review. The language checker identifies improper use of words and phrase in review commands and makes suggestions to replace them. When enabled, it becomes available to the manager in the evaluation step of the review. For each instance of improper word identified, the manager can view the reason why this is considered inappropriate and look at the usage examples provided in the setup. The system highlights an improper word for easy identification. The manager has three options. Use change button to edit the text in command field shown. Ignore button to move to the next instance for the same improper word. Or use the ignore button or ignore all button to move to the next improper word identified. Business benefits. Performance management improvement. A modern way to ensure that employees receive feedback in a timely manner by using fluid performance management, which enables them to track organization and personal goals throughout the year. It also enables all to remain on the same page so as not to have any surprises during a yearly review. The use of the fluid performance management system in PeopleSoft is only part of a comprehensive talent management solution. Writing tools and language checker. The writing tool link can be found in the evaluation items section and summary sections, which are based on the configured templates. Within the writing tools, you can receive the text suggestions from various sources like evaluator comments, development tips, result writer, and performance notes. Our portfolio on PeopleSoft talks about our experience across different PeopleSoft applications and models, namely the HCM, FSCM, CS, CRM, and ELM. We have executed numerous implementation, upgrade, and support engagements with the customers in different segments like IT and ITES, staffing, automobile, BFSI, and education. With more than 12 plus years of experience in PeopleSoft landscape, Our expertise spans across multi-industry vertical projects accomplished through Agile methodology. We are proud to mention that work as a support partner for global Fortune 500 companies. Covayan is aligned with Oracle's product acquisition strategy. I would like to give a brief introduction about Covayan. Covayan is a business transformation and technology solution partner. We are headquartered in UK and spread across USA, Philippines, and India. We are the Oracle boutique partner and specialized in HCM Cloud, ERP Cloud, and PeopleSoft applications, offering end-to-end implementation, support, upgrade, and enhancement services. Our expertise talks about servicing 45 plus countries where we did multi-country implementations and rollout. We have executed 210 plus engagements and have customers across different domains with a strong team of 250 consultants. And this is a simple session which we had conducted, so let you know for any questions. So we are ready to answer. You can even drop questions in the chat box. Please do visit us on covayan.com for more informative webinars and blogs. You may also contact us at info@covayan.com for any demo or discussion on PeopleSoft applications and strategy. Thank you so much for joining this webinar.